Listen to that crust. There is nothing quite like a perfect airy ciabatta. The crumb is light, chewy, and surprisingly easy to make at home with zero special effects. This is the ultimate sandwich bread, perfect with some salty prosciutto, sharp cheese, a fresh salad. Let's get into it. We start with the basics: flour, water, olive oil, salt, and yeast. No mixer required. Just stir everything together until you have a shaggy, sticky dough. No dry flour left behind. Now we let it rest for 20 minutes. Instead of kneading, we are going to use stretch and fold to build strength. Every 20 minutes, we'll wet our hands and pull the dough over itself. We'll do this 3 times. You'll notice the dough getting smoother and stronger with every set of stretch and fold. Now for the secret ingredient, it's thyme. Cover it up and let it cold proof in the fridge for at least 12 hours. This develops that professional flavor. The next day, take it out and let it wake up at the room temperature. Look how jiggly it is. You want those bubbles nice and relaxing. Add a lot of flour on your working flour. Wait for the drop. It's so satisfying. Handle the dough gently now. You want to keep all that air inside. Cut your loaves and they're ready for the hit. We are baking at 220 Celsius degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. Pull them out when they are deep golden brown and sound hollow when tapped. Better than the bakery. And you did this all by hand. Enjoy! Are you a crispy crust or a soft crust person? Let me know below in the comments section. crispy outside and soft and airy inside, with no special tools. Enjoy!